Hi, welcome to Undoubtme. In this video, we are going to have a look over one of the famous questions which is usually asked in Olympiads or any similar type of exams. The question can be of this type. They can change few terms and expressions, but the way to solve it will be same. So you should definitely learn this trick. Now how to solve this question? Let us see. So to begin with, I will start with x to the power x to the power 4 is equal to 64. Now the first step what I have to do over here is I have to raise both of them to the power of 4. If I raise both of them to the power of 4, like this is the trick which you have to understand. If I raise both of them to the power of 4, then by using some laws of indices, we are going to get through this question. Now which law of indices we have to use over here? Let me write. So if it is a raised to the power m to the power n, it can be written as a raised to the power mn, or it can also be written as a raised to the power n to the power m. Interchangeably we can do it because the multiplication commute each other. Okay, so this is exactly what we are going to do in this particular question. The next step is we can rewrite this as x to the power 4 times 4. On the other side, this 64 can be written as 8 squared to the power of 4. Next step is this 4 and x to the power 4 can be interchanged, and it can be written as x to the power 4 to the power of x to the power 4. Now you can see that what I have done. The property of indices which I have shown earlier, I have just used it over here, nothing else. Okay, and the same thing I will be doing on the right hand side, and on the right hand side it will become 8 to the power 2 times 4, that is 8. Now isn't it very interesting to note, to observe that on both the sides we are getting same expression so that we can compare. So x to the power 4 raised to the power of x to the power 4. On the other side I have 8 raised to the power of 8. So by just comparing I can see that the value of x to the power 4 will be equal to 8. Quite easy. Now we need to get the value of x from here. So what I'll do, I'll take the fourth root on both the sides. Fourth root on both the sides will make this 8 as 8 to the power 1 by 4. Then 8 can be written as 2 cube. So finally this will be written as x is equal to 2 to the power 3 times 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Okay, so this is the final answer, which is the value of x. We have used a very simple law of indices to solve this question, and this is how we can solve any of the similar type of question. So if you like this trick, do share it with your friends, and please mention whatever you feel like for this particular question in the comments, and see you in the next video. Thanks.